Hey, everyone, welcome back. Today, we will talk about building a JavaScript PDF editor with ComPDFKit. Firstly, please go to the ComPDFKit documentation. Then, check the requirements. Finally, please get a 30-day free trial by clicking here or contact ComPDFKit sales team to get a commercial license key. Everything is ready. Let's start building the JavaScript PDF editor. Step 1. Install the ComPDFKit for web package from npm into your Vanilla JS project. Step 2. Create index.html. You need to know that when you use the web SDK, you need to use the parameter path to tell it where the static resources are located. If you don't do this step, then they are relative to the current path. Step 3. Add a script tag and initialize ComPDFKitViewer for web using Vanilla JavaScript. Step 4. In order to display on the local host, we need to set up the server environment in this step. Step 5. Open it on your browser. Then you can see the PDF file you want to display. That's all. Hope you like this video. See you next time.